standing in front of the mango tree. Beautiful mango tree, all in bloom. Can you see these little mangoes lying on the floor? Yeah, so I can see a few tiny mangoes sprout. Look at these mangoes here. Tiny mangoes being sprouted in these so many clusters of flowers they have, and one can see, if you can just have a look at them, even there. And I don't know, maybe it's a squirrel which is breaking them and throwing them. So it's a wonderful mango tree. It had flowered quite a bit. Now the little mangoes, can you see that? Mangoes coming up there. So pretty. Little mangoes there. So many of them. We call them ticolas if they grow. This is the nearest I can get to. Oh yeah, there's one here too. Look at this. See. So these are the, so many flowers were there, but then you get only one or two out of that. Look here, look at the clump of flowers here. The blossoms, as we call them. So many flowers. Out of these, there are only so many. It's known as, in India, they grow everywhere. It has one little seed, only one seed. We call it the gutli. And if you just throw it, it sprouts. It comes up. And in India, it's known as a king of fruits. And there are different varieties, hundreds of varieties of mangoes, and each one has a distinct taste. I mean, one should really, it's rich and it's very good for the eyes, I believe. And there's so many other properties that they talk about. Even the leaves, I believe, it's good for, it's anti-inflammatory and all of that. So I'm just fascinated with these. Look at this. Can you see my hand? Yes. These have, maybe the squirrels out there must have thrown them down. So pretty. Of course, one can't eat this, but it's really good. There's a pleasant breeze out. It's around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's a sunny day. And I mean, suddenly I've seen these little mangoes coming up. Such a pleasure to look at them. They're like little dots, and they really become huge. They're huge if you see them. And this tree has delicious fruit. It is, I think, at least 200 grams worth of mango you get. Each one of them, this little thing here, can you see that? This little thing, these little mangoes, can you see them? Yes. They become like 200 grams of mango, even more, and they are so delicious. And right now I can't see a single squirrel out here. No squirrel, no birds right now. Otherwise this tree is laden with life. That is, the squirrels and the birds of different varieties are all there. So with that,